Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Oh, buddy. What the fuck?
Use the left 3 lanes to take the I-435 north ramp. Continue for 30 miles.
Fucking die, dude?
What the hell are you doing? Sir, that's not a spot to park.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.